Hey guys, Alicia here. I am back with another Canva video today. I made one yesterday, and if you are new to my channel, if you could hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading. If you know me from the past, I have always made content focused around using a site called iPicky.com, and I'm not going to stop. As a matter of fact, tomorrow's video is going to be using iPicky, but I'm branching out and I'm using other tools such as Canva, and I really like the Canva Pro. And I wanted you all to know before I start this video, which by the way, today's video is going to be about neon text whenever we're applying that to any design. So I'm going to make a basic design and show you how to use the neon feature and what you can do with it. Okay, so when you get Canva Pro, which is $12.99 a month, it automatically includes the commercial use license. So if you're using the free version and you want to keep the free version, you have an option to buy that each design for $1 each. Or you can subscribe to Canva Pro and there is nothing more to pay. So you automatically get a license. It says what's allowed. It says that you can use our content in Canva design for a wide range of personal and commercial uses. You can use our content in marketing or social media or even sell merchandise with your design on it. So this link I'm going to include on every video that I do for Canva because I don't want any questions when you can read this yourself or any comments, asking, oh, can I do this, when I'm going to include this here for you. Okay, so that's why I decided to subscribe and just go ahead and get the Canva Pro. I mentioned in yesterday's video where I did a video on how to make an outer glow around a photo. And in that video, I was talking about the fact that I was trying to decide whether or not to use PicMonkey or to use Canva. And when I started to look at the features of both programs, I decided to go with Canva. I really liked the features that Canva had. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now, let me just start off by saying that I am not going to do this in any elaborate way or make a super fancy design that would take, 30 to 45 minutes to make. I am simply going to show you a little bit of the basics of how to do this. I also usually pause the video when I'm picking out something like a font, just so that you don't have to watch me scrolling. So today I'm going to make an Instagram post. And with Canva, if you click right here on social media, although it's right here, you can click right here on Instagram post, square. So that's what I'm going to choose. The next thing that we want to do is we need to pick out the background for our post. And I really want like a deep pinky purple dark type color. So I'm going to go with the color spectrum here as soon as it pops up. Everything is popping up here. Okay, so here is our color wheel. To get a color anywhere off of the spectrum, all you have to do is choose something like this, and this is pretty much where I was going with this. A really deep dark pink purple type color. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this color. Okay, so I have now chosen this color for this design. Okay, so now I have already uploaded some images that I would like to use, some clip art that I had. I have tons and tons of clip art I have collected over the years, and I use Dropbox to keep those. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this. We're making an Instagram template for, let's say, a lash consultant. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and add this vanity mirror. Okay, so I'm going to add this vanity mirror, and I'm also going to add this little sparkle a couple of times, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so this is just going to make it shine in a couple of more spots that we don't normally have it shining, just to give it more of a look. Okay. And I'm also going to duplicate this, and I'm going to drag it down here and pretty much do the same thing. I'm going to kind of twist it a little bit and bring it down. And this just adds a little bit more sparkle. You can kind of make this a little bit bigger if you want. By the way, you can purchase this clip art right here. I believe I purchased these lights directly on Etsy. And I think I want this one over here. It just gives it more of a natural look, as if it is giving off a little bit extra light. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my lashes, and I really want to make these smaller, and I also want to rotate this just a little bit, and I'm going to put this up here. Okay, so that's my lashes. Okay, so now I am ready to add my text. And I'm just going to type probably lash sale. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I need to pick out my font. And I will go ahead and pause the video just so you don't have to watch me scrolling. Another thing, by the way, you get with Canva Pro that you don't get with the free version is you get access to all of the fonts. Okay, so I have chosen my font for this particular, where it says lash sale, and there is an exclamation point. You just can't quite see it with this in the way. So the next thing I need to do is pick a color, and I really want to go with like some sort of aqua. I'll just have to play around until I see something that I actually really like, and I really do like this. Okay, so now that I have picked my font and also the color, we're going to click on Effects. And right here, we're going to select the neon. And as you can tell, it makes this neon immediately. But something that you can do is you can play around here with the intensity. You can make the intensity a lot more, or you can make it a lot less. So I personally think I like it a lot more. Lash sale. Okay. So this is what it looks like so far. We have our eyelashes. We have the outside of our design here. And the next thing I want to do is actually, I want to move this up just even more and tilt it so it's not quite in the way. Okay, lash cell. And once again, guys, I am not making this by any means anything extravagant because this is a tutorial just to show you how to do the neon effect. So I think now I'm just going to add some text, and we'll just say Wednesday through Saturday. Of course, if you knew someone that was doing this, you could put their name and you could put everything that you wanted to in there. But we're just going to put something different. So I put Wednesday through Saturday only, and I do want to pick some sort of a contrasting color for this. So I'm moving this down. You can always tell if it is centered when that little line pops up. Another thing I like. So let me go ahead and pick another color that I really like. I think I might just make this one white. And I'm clicking up here for our text color. And yes, I think I'm going to just make this one white. And I'm also going to change my font as well on this because it's something that just says Wednesday through Saturday only. Then I'm going to pick just a pretty plain font. And let me capitalize this O. Okay, and just to show you that white does also glow, I'm going to show you that as well. So I have this highlighted, and now I'm going to go back up to Effects, and I'm going to choose the neon sign. And let's take a look at it, and that looks just a little bit too much. So let me go back to the effects here, and let's see if we can take this down just a little bit. We can decrease the intensity. So I want it to glow, I just don't want it to glow as much. So this is what we have so far. Once again, you could add so many other things to this. You could add the name of the person, the phone number. You know, we can add something because not everything you want to add. So we'll put just a fake number in here. We will add I'm just putting call Alicia at 555-5555. How about that? And then I can once again pick some text for that, or a font, and something that I just want really plain. And once again, this is not something I would post on Instagram. This is something that we're just playing around with the text here. Okay, so here's what we have. This is our Instagram post. Once again, you can get as creative as you want with this. I think I want to duplicate this. When you need to duplicate something, you just make sure it's highlighted with the box. And then right here, you click duplicate, and then you can move. And if you want to, you can add more lashes on the other side to kind of complement, or you could do one of each. And I think I'm liking pretty much this. So here is our quick design that we made with the lash sale. And I hope this video was helpful to you in showing you how to navigate with the effects. So once again, when you are choosing the effects, right below the neon, you can choose the intensity. But they also have a lot. You can shadow these. You can do a lot of things. The splice, the hollow. Glitch is where it's in 2 different colors. So I will probably be doing some videos on that. You can also curve text immediately in here by choosing curve. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any future videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.